St. Joseph College for Women, Autonomous Visakhapatnam. Welcome to St. Joseph Open Web-based learning platform, So eLearn, for a soulful and enriching e-learning experience. Department of Department of Commerce and Management, St. Joseph College for Women Autonomous presents MOOC, St. Joseph Massive Open Online Course. I, Dr. K. Rajni, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, St. Joseph College for Women Autonomous, Visakhapatnam, presents Module 2 ERP Solutions and Functional Modules. Under Module 2, here I am going to explain about Chapter 2.2, that is Small, Medium and Large Enterprise Vendor Solutions. The contents of Chapter 2.2 are Introduction to ERP Vendor Solutions, Classification of ERP Systems by Enterprise Size, Comparison of Small, Medium and Large ERP Systems, Major Barriers to ERP Implementation in SMEs, and the last topic in Suggestions to Overcome Barriers. Outcome of this chapter 2.2 are students will be able to understand the classification of ERP vendor solutions based on small, medium and large enterprises, to analyze the features of ERP system designed for different business sizes, to compare ERP solutions in terms of cost, complexity, scalability and customization, to identify suitable ERP vendors for different types of organizations based on their needs, to evaluate the benefits of ERP solutions for small, medium, and large enterprises, to understand how ERP systems support business growth scalability across different organizational levels. Now we'll discuss with the introduction of ERP vendor solutions. ERP, what is ERP? It's an enterprise resource planning, and ERP vendor solutions refers to integrated software system developed and provided by the specialized companies to help organizations manage and automate their core business processes. These processes include finance, human resources, marketing, production, supply chain, sales, customer relationship management. It's not only a supply of software but also offer an implementation, customization, training and support services. Their solutions are designed to create a centralized platform where all the organizational data is stored and accessed in real time, ensuring better coordination and decision making. Evaluation of ERP vendor solutions. ERP systems have evolved over a time. During 1960s and 70s, they developed for inventory management system, and during the 1980s, they developed for material requirement planning (MRPs). During 1990, they integrated this ERP system in multiple departments to coordinate all the departments in an organizational for organizational requirements. During this 2000 to till present, they used a cloud-based ERP systems and artificial intelligence enabled ERP softwares and mobile ERP solutions. So, and they are updating their ERP softwares according to the changing technology and upgradation. So these are the development evaluations of ERP vendor solutions. In a modern ERP vendor solutions are more flexible, scalable and accessible, especially with the rise of cloud computing. The features of ERP vendor solutions. ERP vendor solutions typically include the following features. One is integration. It combines all the business functions into one system. It has a centralized database. It stores all data in a single location. It provides a real-time processing. It provides instant updates and information. Automation. It reduces the manual work and errors by installing and implementing ERP in our institutions. And next one is scalability. It can grow with the businesses. And the next one, customization. These ERP solutions adapts to specific organizational needs according to the nature and size of the business. They have to customize their ERP solutions at what extent they required. And the last feature of this ERP solutions is the security. It ensures data protection through access control. The types of ERP vendor solutions. ERP vendor offers a solutions tailored to different types of enterprises. There are three: small enterprise solutions, medium enterprise solutions, large enterprise solutions. Small enterprise solutions are these are softwares are designed for startups and small businesses. It includes low cost and simply functionality, and it focuses on basic operations like accounting and inventory and the stock, etc. And next one is medium enterprise solutions, suitable for growing organizations, scalable and flexible. It includes multiple modules and better organizations, better integration. And the last type of ERP solution is large enterprise solutions. It designed for large and multinational companies and highly complex and customizable. It supports global operations and advanced analytics. A study of market share shows that SAP, Oracle, Microsoft are leading in Indian market share up to 53%, and the remaining is shared by the other smaller ERP vendors. And popular ERP vendors. Some well-known ERP vendors include SAP, Oracle, Microsoft Dynamics, Odoo, Zoho. These vendors offer a wide range of ERP solutions for different industries and business sizes. Importance of ERP vendor solutions. It improves operational efficiency. It enables better decision making through real-time data. It reduces cost and eliminate duplication. It enhances communication across different departments. It supports business growth and scalability. Comparison of SML vendor solutions. So coming to comparison of different enterprises like small, medium, large, the cost is different from these three category type of enterprises. The cost is low for small enterprise, moderate for medium enterprise, high for large enterprise. Complexity is also low for small enterprise, medium for medium organizations, high for large institutions. Customization is very limited for small organizations, moderate are neutral for medium organizations, are very extensive for a larger institutions. And also the scalability is very low for smaller institutions, medium for medium organizations, and high for larger institutions. These are all the different comparisons of small, medium, larger vendor solutions accordingly different features. Major barriers to ERP implementation in SMEs. First one is higher cost. ERP system requires a significant investment, huge investment. It includes software, hardware, training and development, maintenance of cost, and etc. Is it's often have a limited budget. Generally, ERP project implementation has a lot of one-time implementation cost in the area of consultation, project management, software license, etc. So additionally, the ongoing maintenance support cost good ERP systems are very high for small and medium enterprises. Next one is lack of technical expertise. SMEs may not have a skilled IT professionals, a difficulty in managing and maintaining ERP systems, resistance to change. Employees may be compatible with the existing system, they won't change to updated knowledge and the new technology. Fear of job changes or a complexity of a new systems. The next barrier is data migration issues. Transferring data from old system to new one to ERP is a very challenging one. Data may arise, loss, something that may happen, the risk that happens to organization, and the lack of top management support. Without strong leadership support, implementation may fail, decision making delays, and the lack of directions, and the lack of top management. Inadequate training. Employees need proper training to use ERP effectively. Lack of training leads to poor utilization. And the next one, customization problem. SMEs may require specific features. Customization increases the cost and complexity. Next, time consuming implementation. ERP implementation can take months. SME may find it difficult to manage long projects. It requires a long time for implementation and changes. Time is a number barrier to barrier in ERP system. Generally, full implementation of ERP system could take from 6 months to 1.5, 1.5 year, depending upon the size and complexity of enterprise and a customization. Small and medium enterprise doesn't have such much time to get the ERP system implemented. Also, more the time complexity, it leads to more costs, which is already number one barrier for ERP systems implementation. Suggestions to overcome barriers. So here I summarized a few suggestions to overcome the barriers of ERP implementation. The first one is choose cost-effective cloud ERP solutions, provide proper training to employees, ensure strong management support, select the right vendor, implement ERP in phases. Sound. Finally, we conclude here. ERP vendors solutions have become an essential part of modern business management. By integrating various functions into a unified system, they help the organizations improve efficiency, accuracy, and competitiveness. However, selecting the right vendor and implementing the system effectively are very critical for achieving the desired results. Thank you. Have a nice day.